Well, another round of winter weather is approaching the state, and it starts really tonight, but it doesn't just end tonight. It continues with around possible late Monday into Tuesday, and then Tuesday into early Wednesday. And we already have some winter weather headlines, and they're up in far north Arkansas, where tonight I think we could see some light freezing rain or light freezing drizzle that could cause travel impacts. But that's just the winter weather advisory in North Arkansas. We're going to see these extend much further south as we go into Monday and especially Tuesday as more winter weather makes its way into the state. There's so much going on. There's a lot that's going to happen just within the next 3 days, and it includes several rounds. Tonight, there's the very light stuff that's going to be in northwest Arkansas. The rest of us just get rain. As we go into tomorrow, we get a little bit of a break. But watch what happens during the afternoon hours on Monday. Light freezing precipitation returns in northwest and north central Arkansas, and that's where temperatures are going to be below freezing at first, and that's where we could see some issues on the roadways as we get towards late Monday afternoon. The freezing line is going to start moving closer and closer to central Arkansas, so we could start to see issues Monday night to very early Tuesday. This round probably is going to include freezing rain for central and maybe some sleet for North Arkansas, rain for South Arkansas. This is a fairly quick moving round. I don't expect amounts to get out of control because this is gone by the time we get to sunrise on Tuesday. And the problem is temperatures continue to drop. We get maybe down to 30 or 29 degrees at Little Rock by the time we get to sunrise on Tuesday, and that sets the stage for the next round. And during the day on Tuesday, especially during the afternoon hours, freezing rain and some sleet, especially in North Arkansas, is expected to move back into the state, and it could go all the way down maybe to the Arkadelphia and Pine Bluff areas. And this is going to continue for several hours and probably go into the overnight hours Tuesday into very early Wednesday. The problem with this is a lot of this is going to fall as rain below 32 degrees. It's freezing rain, and that means the trees and power lines get coated. Where areas get sleet, that'll just be some ice pellets on the ground, but travel could be impacted. This will all wind down as we get into the day on Wednesday, but not before. We're probably dealing with some significant ice accumulations. The best chance to get a 1/4 inch of ice or more is going to be from central Arkansas into the eastern part of the state, but that's not the only area that's going to see it. Some ice is possible down even into parts of South Arkansas, and up in North Arkansas, temperatures will be colder. There's a chance that some of this precipitation falls as sleet and not as freezing rain. That's certainly a good thing. So with freezing rain in the forecast, it's important to remember at 33 degrees, it's just plain old rain. There's no impacts. However, at just 31 or 32 degrees, you could get something that starts to form, some ice that starts to form on the bridges. But really, when you get down to the 28 to 30 degree range, that's when we start to see widespread travel impacts. So stay with us, stay tuned. Another winter storm is approaching the state. We're going to have more updates as we go through the next several days.